daughter wants to have an interview with me regards to how I find my job here in Canada. Oh, ba't umiiyak ka? Don't cry. You're my little baby pa. Don't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry. So, what is your question, Bunso? Ha?
Yeah, how did you get your job in Canada?
Actually, when I came here, uh, I was, ano, kumbaga sa Tagalog nahirapan maghanap ng trabaho because Canada is a new place for me and my family. But pumasok lang sa isip ko na I have a family. That's why I have to get a job kahit it doesn't require uh, educational background. Kasi when we came here, marami pang offer ng job Kasi that time, sabi nila, 2022 is not much people pa. So when we come here, meron na kaming isang agency na kung saan kami nag-stay, sila rin ang nagbigay sa amin. And then, sila yung nagsabi na Mississauga is the best place to find a job kasi marami daw manufacturing dito. So we decided to land in Mississauga, Toronto. Kasi we are planning doon sana kami bababa sa Vancouver, pero sabi nila it will be a very less opportunity for us to find a job sa Vancouver. So may agency na nagsabing why not go to Mississauga, so follow kami. And then that's the first opportunity na naghanap na kami ng job. Kaya lang yung required, dinahanapan agad kami ng SIN, pero okay naman kasi yung iba hindi na naganap. So I landed in Walmart, kung tawagin nila stockholder. So ako ang panggabi and my husband is morning shift. Kasi mas ng time na yon medyo kaya ko pang magpanggabi kasi si daddy yun medyo may sakit na yun So we landed as a stockholder. So it's hard, it's very difficult kasi especially sa gabi, I'm not too used to work as night people, no? Hindi ako sanay kasi sanay ako na natutulog ng gabi. Pero I have to think about kailangan we have to survive kasi meron kaming dream na bumili ng bahay. So I have to work. Ganon din si daddy. So habang tumatagal, I was enjoying na yung trabaho ko kasi I meet a lot of people, different kind of nation. So hindi naman ako fluent sa English, pero at least nagkakaintindihan kami. And hindi naman masyadong mabigat yung trabaho kasi mag-stack ka lang ng mga goods. As long as alam mo kung saan mo ilalagay at mabilis ka, that's okay. Yun lang talaga doon lang sa first few months ko. Talaga nahirapan lang ako kasi yung tulog. Medyo nanibago ako sa shifting ko. Pero as I go on, imagine naka 3 years akong panggabi. Imagine 3 years na panggabi until I decided to find another job kasi naghahanap na ako ng more on high salary kasi syempre hindi ka na kontento doon sa salary na kukuha mo. So I quit and then I apply for a automotive company. Luckily naman, siguro after a couple of months nung quit ako sa Walmart, na ano naman ako, nakuha ko naman yung gusto ko makatrabaho sa automotive kasi I have a background sa automotive kasi when I was single at that time sa Philippines, I work in Unilab. That is parang mga electronic yan yung electronic company. At the same time, meron silang mga pagamutan na landed ako sa mga electronic. So may idea na ako. That's why this sa Canada, I got the job kasi may experience na ako. And then continuously doon na ako nagtagal, and then habang tumatagal for 3 months naging contract worker ako, and then siguro nakita nila na I was masipag, they absorbed me, so naging full time na ako. And then the history yun.
Okay, thank you,
tuloy-tuloy na.
Mom. Thank you, Bob.